Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG0563SKN in color code 001. The color of the frame is black. And the lenses are gray. These glasses are also square shaped. Its temples are gold, and you'll find the Gucci logo in black on its temple. This is the inside of the frame. And both temples are the same. You'll also find the Gucci logo engraved on its top right lens. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo that it's made in Japan and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 55 is for its lens, 21 is for its bridge, and 150 is for its temples. You'll also find the GG Gucci emblem on its nose pads. The glasses also come with a black Gucci hard case, a Gucci dust bag, although color and style may vary, a Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.